I'm Lisa from the Helm, and you may have seen myself and Raul on the latest episode where we made painkillers. And today we have some lovely recipes that have been submitted by viewers, and we're gonna have Raul taste these for us. First one up, the fuzzy rummer. Secret ingredient, little grape soda in this one.
Interesting.
I know you were just down in the BVIs.
I was.
So you have
I was at the Soggy Dollar last week. So.
Awesome. And this is, we've used their rum for these. So give that guy a little taste and let us know what you think. So the fuzzy rummer has rum, obviously, orange juice, and then grape soda. So grape soda is kind of that twist with the rum and the OJ.
I think you have to have another one. Hold on.
Give it another sip. Pretty good.
Yeah.
The looks are a little deceiving. It's actually pretty good. It's okay.
Interesting.
So there is our fuzzy rummer. And this one is called the Killer MOSA. In here, the secret ingredient is champagne.
Champagne?
Champagne. We had a viewer say, you know what, on Sunday, throw a little bit of champagne into that painkiller and let's give it a taste.
I like the pineapple, the look.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Does that count for points?
It might. I did that myself. So we got the rum, pineapple juice, orange juice, cream de cocoa, and then that splash of champagne. A little bit of nutmeg on top. Got to keep the nutmeg for that painkiller feel. What do you think of that guy?
That's very nice.
Okay.
Tastes like the original.
There you go.
Closer to it.
All right, third one up, Painkiller's Revenge. And here you can see this has a little bit of a spice to it. It's not too bad, but we've got some cayenne pepper and some jalapeno mixed in here to give it a little bit of a kick. I did taste this myself. It is quite nice. Give it a little.
Hurt?
It's not gonna hurt that bad, I promise.
All right.
So we've got our jalapeno infused rum, pineapple juice, orange juice, cream de cocoa, and a dust of cayenne pepper on that. Ooh.
Oh.
What do you think? Definitely a twist on the painkiller.
Wow, interesting. Woo.
All right, let's put out that fire. Last one up is the JVD cocktail.
Okay.
Our twist in here is a little bit of Campari bitters and coconut water instead of the creme de cocoa. So a little bit different. Again, dark rum, pineapple juice, mango juice, coconut water, Campari, and a little bit of nutmeg. So give that one a little sip-ski. Kind of sweet.
Oh, sweet, a little different taste.
Puts out the fire from the Painkiller's Revenge.
Yeah, so let me taste it now for real. The first one was to put that one out.
All right. 4 different twists on the Painkiller cocktail. Off the cuff, right away. Which one was your favorite here?
They're all very different. I think it depends what kind of party I was having.
Okay.
May change it up a little bit. I think the Killer MOSA tastes more like the original, so I'm more attracted to that one.
I could see that, absolutely.
So that's nice because it's different. The little hotness, a little kick.
I thought the same thing.
I like it. So I think I'm in between these two here.
The two in the middle?
Yeah, this is a little too sweet and maybe a little more dangerous.
I could definitely hear that.
I drink the whole thing.
These are just 4 combinations that you can make of the Painkiller cocktail, but
if you want to try out the real deal, you got to go down to the Virgin Islands with MarineMax Vacations, take out one of our power cats and go to the Soggy Dollar bar. You can have one, and in fact they give you a little cup that's got the recipe on it. I have a little collection going at home. We just had a few last week.
That's awesome. Visit MarineMaxVacations.com for more information or give Raul a call and he'll hook you up.